Hey guys, subscribe to Shamsundar 1997's YouTube channel and click the bell button for more videos.
Shamsundar 1997 Animations presents Ms. P turns the school into a rainforest/grounded, and was inspired by Kracko Fanatic 2022.
Alright class, today we are going to learn about the operations of functions. What is it, Miss P? Can I please use the restroom? Sure, but be back here as soon as possible, I have a class to teach. I'm going to turn this school into a tropical rainforest. Alright, I will turn this school into a tropical rainforest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, I turned the school into a tropical rainforest. Yes, I turned the school into a tropical rainforest. Yes, I turned the school into a tropical rainforest.
Miss P, the school is now a tropical rainforest, and I don't know why. Wait a minute, I believe you have something to do with this, Miss P, because you're giving me that strange look on your face.
That's right, Principal Diesel. I turned the school into a tropical rainforest.
Miss P, how dare you turn the school into a tropical rainforest? You know that you were not allowed to do that at all. That's it. You were expelled forever. Go home now.
No 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 no.
Really, Miss P? You had to turn the school into a tropical rainforest. Why would you do that?
Well, Mom and Dad, I was bored for crying out loud. We don't care. You are grounded for 15 days. Go to your room right now.